Grabe yung mukha ko guys. Kintab. So, ang saya ko ngayon guys kasi binilhan ako ng phone. So, ayan. iPhone 17 Pro Max. At saka, watch na Ultra 3? Ultra 3. Yan. Kasi meron akong watch na Ultra 2 last year. Is it last year, Han? Then, in-upgrade niya ako ng Ultra 3. Tsaka, yung iPhone 16 Pro Max ko ay andito sa harapan ko. So, in-upgrade niya ako ng iPhone 17 Pro Max. Buksan natin, guys. Na-excite ako. Yung plastic ito ay wala na kasi nga inactivate ito doon sa store. So, buksan natin. Yeah? Ha? This one? Yeah, like this. Sabi niya, grabe ka supportive, oy. Yan. Ayan siya. Tararara. Ang ganda niya, guys. This is 1 terabyte. Terabytes? Terabyte. Terabyte. Naanak ko, guys. Nalito ako. Open natin. Ayan. Super ganda niya, guys. Oh, super talaga. Ganda. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, meron siyang cord. Yan. Tapos yan. Yan. Mamaya ko na to siya i-transfer yung old phone ko kasi ginagamit ko pa. Yan. Tapos yung watch ko, eto. Buksan natin. Yung Ultra 2 ko na watch, guys, ay kulay orange. So, di ko alam kung anong kulay to. Buksan natin. Grabe pagka spray. Hala! Ayan. Whoa! Blue, Han? Is it blue color? Is this mine or yours? Is this yours or mine?
They're the same.
Oh, they're the same? Oh, same pala kami. Hindi pala kami ni asawa ng watch. Hirap naman buksan ito. Ah, ayan na. Nabuksan ko na. Wow. Ito pala siya. Ayan. Tapos ito yung charger niya. Kinat ko lang kanya dahil tumawag pa si asawa sa ka-work niya. So, ito yun siya, guys. Ang Ultra 3. So, ayan. So, i-open na natin. Ayan. Wow, ang ganda niya. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh. Tapos, ito yung kanyang ito ang kanyang band. Is this band a bracelet? What is it called?
It's your Apple Watch band. But we're
Apple Watch band.
We're going to put your orange one on that. Unless you like that. But we didn't have many choices.
There's no orange color?
Not that we sell.
So, ayan.
So, like,
what color is that? What?
I'm going to switch mine to this. This same band will work.
What color is this?
It's like a blue.
Blue? Yeah, blue ang kulay niya, guys.
But you know, orange and blue go together.
Yeah. I think I'm going to change my orange band. Kasi ito yung original, guys. Yung kulay niya. So, that's it. Yan.
Wow,
So,
screen, huh?
mayroon na akong hold on. Yung asawa ko, ang kulit. Nagbablog ako. Tapos, ayan. Diyos ko. Tapos, yan, di ba? Yan. Mataas na to siya, guys. 1 terabyte na to. Kasi itong iPhone 16 Pro Max ko ay 512. I have only 512 on this one. 512?
Yeah, your new one's 512 also.
I thought it 1 terabyte.
Oh, sorry, 1 terabyte.
1 terabyte. You're crazy. Ano ba yan?
I don't know if you like this case. It's really cute though.
Let's see.
I don't know if it matches orange, but
Is that clear?
it's not clear. It's a new color that nobody else has that we got.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look how pretty.
Ang ganda niya, guys. So, binilhan niya ako. Magkano to?
And mine's more of a silicone. Look, it has a
How much is this one?
60.
Oh my gosh. Ang mahal ng casing. Casing lang, $60 na. Pero ang ganda niya, guys. Pero maano mo to siya. Mabibili mo to siya sa ano. Oh, it's clear, Han.
Oh, it is kind of
Yeah, it's clear. Mabibili mo to siya sa ano, sa, tawag ito, sa Amazon. Tapos sa
Mama, about my iPad Switch.
ha?
About my iPad Switch.
Oh, okay.
Mom, is this
I
your
look at mine how
phone?
it looks with the orange.
Mom, what's your phone?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Mom, what's your phone?
It's my phone. It's here. Do not touch. Do not touch anything.
Mom, I want to see.
Ayun na.
Let's see.
Okay.
You
Ayan.
want to see Daddy's too? Look at my case. Look how cool.
Is there a, what is it called?
Is that
Like,
black case?
like glass protection?
Not yet. We're gonna go to Victor on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, what's your case?
My case?
Yeah.
This is my case. At dito na yung amo ko.
Your case?
Here's my case.
Mommy.
Pretty.
Mom, let's put on here.
Yeah, later, because I'm vlogging. Look.
Mom, is this the phone thingy?
Thingy? Phone
Yeah.
thingy?
Yeah.
Phone thingy?
Mom, let me see what is it.
Phone
Mom.
thingy? Yeah.
Mommy, what's that colorful?
Yeah, it's colorful. It's like a rainbow. Yeah, it's like a rainbow color.
Let me see like a rainbow.
Mm. Ano ba yan? So,
It's like
yeah.
it's like a glass. Mama,
Yeah.
I will put
It
it
is
right
clear.
here.
How does it look in the orange case though?
Oh, really?
How does the orange case?
I told you only the clear one is
Is that
fine.
clear enough?
Yeah, I bought
Don't
in
let it
Amazon.
scratch.
No, lagi. Uy, ginoo ko. Sama na, uy.
Let me put it right here.
Hey, come look at Daddy.
Dad, stop that.
Yeah, come look at Daddy.
I need some mommy's suitcase. Dad, is that a rainbow?
Yeah,
It's like a rainbow suitcase.
you're smart, boy.
Oh, it's always like
Bukati, boy.
It's always like a rainbow. It's like a rainbow and monkey.
Monkey.
It's like a rainbow monkey. With color and yellow and blue and pink. Everything that and orange and yellow.
Why you're so
green.
talkative?
Because
What?
Mom.
Can you give me a kiss?
Mommy,
Give me a kiss.
Mama.
Unsa man na? Uy. Come on, get down. Pababa na kami, guys. Ni Sawyer. Ano ba nangyari sa buhok ko? Come on.
Mama,
I am.
I just put. Mama, don't do that.
Who opened this package here? Who opened it?
It wasn't me.
Who opened it?
Me?
Yours or brother?
Brother. I think it's
Brother!
open.
Why you open these boxes? Ha? Dad ka diha ron. So dumating na yung package, guys. Binuksan yung isang box ni asawa. Yan yung in-order ko na sunshade dito sa labas. At saka yung part ng mga gamit na.
Mom, it's morning. We can't open this. It's morning.
Okay. We have to eat first, you know.
I'm not.
Yan yung part sa birthday ni Sam, yung mga kailangan ko.
Oh, Dad, no eating. I want to eat chicken nuggets.
How about me? Ha? How about me? Hala! Who break this one? Kakain muna ako, guys. So, we're going to unbox this packages. Charot packages. So, ano kaya to? Di ko alam kung ano itong pinag-order ni asawa. So, buksan na natin. I'm with, what is your name?
Sawyer.
Come here. I'm with
Sawyer.
Sawyer. Say hi, guys. Dun.
Hi, guys.
So, we're going to open.
It's box.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ano to? Order ko ata to. Oh! Ito yung in-order ko na casing para sa aking phone na
open this
iPhone
one.
16 Pro
Mommy,
Max.
open this one.
Here you go again, guys. Sawyer is very, very makulit.
No, I'm not chocolate.
You're not makulit, you're makulit.
You're chocolate.
Mm.
I'm gonna be excited.
Mm.
Mommy, open this mouth.
What do you think is this?
A
I don't know.
candy.
Candy? This is big for the candy, huh?
I think that's a candy. I think that's a candy inside the box. I think this have candies. That one has candy too. Let me back think back. It's that. It's not. Mom, I say this.
I don't know what is this. I think this is for daddy.
I don't think so.
What is this? What is this? Oh, this is for daddy. So, sa asawa ko to siya, guys, sa sasakyan niya. So, this is not ours. So, we have to put it in the side. Okay, Sawyer?
Mom, open this one. I think this one. I think that's a monkey.
Let's see what is this.
I think that's a monkey fan.
Hmm?
I think that's a monkey fan.
Oh, okay.
What is this?
I don't know.
Let me check.
So, ito yung in-order ko para sa giveaways din. Ito
Mommy,
siya at saka
Mommy!
itong lip balm.
Mommy, can you open this?
Para sa lips at saka para sa hands. Hand cream. Yan. So, ito yung
Mommy, can you
giveaways,
open
guys.
This-
Nagkulang kasi yung ano ko,
Mom,
yung
can you open this?
yung ginawa ko, yung in-order ko. So,
Mom,
na-order
can
ako
you
ulit.
open this?
Yeah, sure. So, there's nothing in there. So, we have to push that away. So, eto kaya, ano kaya to? Ah! I remember this, Sawyer. Bumili ako ulit, guys, kasi nagkulang. So, bumili ako nitong little notebook.
Mom, open this.
Wait, oh, ang kulit mo naman eh.
Mom, I don't
Tapos,
need it.
itong keychain at saka yung bracelet at saka pen.
I don't need
Ayan.
it.
Okay, don't need this, so I have to turn it off. Okay?
Why?
Because you don't need it. I don't want to get low but okay. Yan. So, kompleto na yung ating giveaways. Yung hindi kompleto, guys, ay bibili pa ako ng candies.
Candies?
Yeah. So, ayan. So, next is ito.
This one?
Yeah.
Mom, I can open that.
Hmm?
Mom, is it gonna cut my
It's gonna cut your...
my finger?
Yeah, let's see.
I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. Oh, I'll open it.
Oh.
Open it.
Oh, ito yung in-order ko, guys, na
Okay, I'll
pen. Para lagayan ng mga ano. So, para lagay ito, oh. So, hindi ko na to siya tatanggalin pa kasi nga, oh, mga pan lang to, guys. Para sa pagkain. Hindi ko na siya tatanggalin sa box. Next. This is the last one. I think we still have one, Sawyer, at the front, in the couch. Can you get it, please? No! Out over there! Over there, in the couch. In there. So, next is, what is this? Oh! So, this is a candle for the birthday. Birthday candle at saka yung topper niya, ng cake topper. Bumili na lang ako, guys. Yes, that's it.
About
Excuse me! You're coming here!
what is this?
Hey, you're coming here!
What is this?
Oh, you come here! Come on! No, come here! Ay, nako. Come here! Ay, nako. Si Sawyer naman, no? Come on. So, maganda siya, guys. Oh. Tapos, next is, ito yung ano, guys.
Mommy, this is the last one.
What is one? Gel kit ni Samantha. So, regalo to siya. Kaya, kailangan ko siyang i-close.
Mom, this is the wood. Mom, this is one here.
Parang,
Mom,
may nagtanggal nito. Siguro, nakita to ni Sam. Kaya nga, tinanggal.
Mom, open the other.
This one, I don't know. Who is this one? Oh! This is mine. Ito yung t-shirt ko na binili, guys. So, ayan.
What's mine?
That's really nice. Ang ganda niya, guys, oh.
Mommy, what's mine?
Oh, ang ganda niya. Super ganda.
What's my shirt?
Oh, di ba?
Mom, what's my shirt?
Napakaganda. This is mine.
What's mine?
Yeah, very nice. I like it.
What about this one?
Ganda ng cloth niya.
What is this?
Alam mo, magkano lang to siya, guys? $7 lang to. Ang ganda. Super ganda.
What is this? So heavy. What is this?
Oh, ito yung sunshade, guys. Na, ayan. Na binili ko dahil lalagyan ko siya ng sunshade doon sa backyard kasi nga pag mga 2 o'clock yung araw pumapasok sa loob ng bahay. So, eto yung binili ko para hindi siya mainit. So, ito lang siya, guys, yung aking ito lang siya, guys, lahat ng boxes na dumating na package. So, ito siya, guys, yung aming giveaways ni Samantha para sa kanyang birthday. Birthday party this coming Saturday. So, ito siya, oh. Ayan. May cute na bag. Ayan. Yung ribbon, hindi ko pa inayos ng maigi dahil lalagyan pa to siya ng chocolate, guys. Kasi nagkulang kami ng chocolate. So, ayan. Yung mga giveaways para sa mga kids. Tapos, ito. Ayan. Nagkulang kami ng ribbon kasi hindi kumpleto yung pinadala sa amin na ribbon at saka yung handle nito. So, bibili muna ako mamaya, guys. So, ayan. Kompleto na.